Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to upload longer videos on Instagram stories. First is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Update to the latest version if you have to. Then, open your Instagram. Then swipe right to create a story. As you can see here, I have a 1 minute and 40-second video clip. So let's try to upload that. Select a clip and a video that's within 60 seconds. Tap done. Then click this. Just wait for your story to be uploaded. Before, regular accounts could only upload video clips between 15 seconds and 30 seconds in length. With the latest Instagram feature, you can now enjoy uploading longer videos on Instagram stories. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.